This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making a flavorful and tender stir-fry beef with ginger and spring onions. This is a quick stir-fry. The key to this is to prepare all your ingredients and have them next to the wok before you start cooking.
My Busy Daddy Cooks.
I have here 400 grams of beef. Look at the direction of the grain. Slice the beef across the grain so that the fibers will be shorter and the meat will be more tender. Marinate the beef with 2 teaspoons of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons water, half a teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of oil, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, and half a teaspoon of baking powder. The cornflour will give the beef a silky mouthfeel, while the baking soda is used to tenderize the meat. We will also need 3 stalks of spring onions. Separate the white from the green parts. I'm also splitting the white parts into half lengthwise so that I can extract more flavor out of them. We also have 3 slices of ginger, 3 cloves of garlic roughly chopped. Heat up 3 tablespoons of oil over medium heat and fry the aromatics, which are the white parts of the green onion, ginger, and garlic. When you can smell the aromatics, turn up the heat to high. Add in the beef. Break up and arrange it in a single layer to let the heat sear the meat. When the beef is a little charred, add in the green parts of the spring onion and give it a quick toss. Season it with 2 tablespoons of cooking wine and 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame oil. Give it a few more quick toss and we are done. Give it a taste and adjust for seasoning. Add more soy sauce if needed. Flavorful and tender stir-fry beef with spring onions.
Please like, share and subscribe to my daddy's channel for more interesting videos.